guys, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. Today it's Meg and we are going to do a blooming jellyfish tutorial. And it's quite cool because there's like 3 or 4 steps to this, so you can have it really simple and it can be done in seconds, or you can make it more intricate, which is what I'm going to show you. Just using like a couple of colours. There's not really much to it, but it's very, very effective. It's simple. If you've still got holidays coming up, it's a really cute design to add. It's really exciting. It's a really cool, interesting way of doing a jellyfish without having to draw really in-depth lines. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Check out the description box for any products that you'd like to use, because there's a link there for our website. If you keep watching as well, and I'll know where you watch up to, because if you do, you will know that when you want to put your next order in, I might have a cheeky little discount for you. But you're only going to know that if you watch the video. So let's get into it and I'll see you in a second. Goodbye! Okay guys, so the base of the nail is going to need to be a milky base. If you haven't got a milky shade to hand, you can do what I've done here and mix Snow White and the base coat. You can use top coat as well, but you just need to get a nice milky, slightly see-through look. This looks gorgeous as well. I would wear that as a nail, 100%. Then we're going to take blooming gel and you want to place this over the nail, but don't put it all the way to the top. So using Kiwano, I think that's how you say it, this is one of our gorgeous greeny blue jelly range colours. It's absolutely stunning and it's perfect for like aquarium, aqua vibes. You want to place a blob on the centre of the nail, thicker on one end and thinner on the other, with a liner brush, and then just simply drag the lines down from that. It doesn't have to be perfect, it can be literally however your brain wants to flow. I did cure that, and then I'm now going in with the same colour and I'm just adding some little details and some finer lines down for the tentacles. This is literally just me now getting creative because I was like, oh, it's not enough. So I'm using blue raspberry as well because it's a little bit more of a cooler blue shade, and just creating a little bit of depth on the side. You just want to imagine that there's light and dark on the jellyfish. I thought that I would create a little bit more body here. This is why I'm just like defining the bottom of it. And this really is the beginning of our beginners to more advanced jellyfish tutorial, because as you will see, I'm going to start to add lots of little random bits that really don't need to be there, but because I'm me and I feel like everything needs more, we're going to do more. Right, next step, take Abyss, which is a really nice deep blue shade. It's perfect for detailing like this if you're going to do fish or like whales, sharks, anything like that. If you're doing like an aquarium themed set, this is perfect. You are going to want to do some dots around the edge of the jellyfish and underneath, as if there's sort of like veins and lines throughout the body of the jellyfish. Then I did go in with Snow White and just add a few highlights as well, because like I said earlier, you want to create the effect of light and dark, shadow and light. So with this, I also then created light and dark tentacles as well. And you can really see it's coming together now. I think it looks really cute. Oh my God, at this point, I'm literally just doing stuff for the sake of it. Like, come on, Megan, stop. You don't need to add any more. You could leave it at this point, but I have decided to carry on and keep adding random little lines. But you know what? At the end, I really do feel like it came together and it added that realistic effect. I mean, look how cute she looks. I don't know why it's a girl, but it's a girl. I feel like I'm really on one today anyway. So I am now using Clear as Day Builder Gel, and I'm just creating my little water droplets on the end of this nail, and this just creates a little bit of a 3D effect and a water look as well on top of the nail. And look how cute she looks. Grab your top coat and cure it for 60 seconds and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I loved creating this little jellyfish, and please let us know in the comments what you thought. I'll see you next time.